We
nailed that.
Let's sniff people.
Yeah,
You want to come to my room?
I'm recording.
So this is my house, as you can see. This is our bathroom. My brother's bathroom. This is my brother's. This is my brother. And his W sweater. Okay.
Hey, Ebony, I gotta use the bathroom.
Go. Okay, you go.
I need to set my backpack down.
And this is the.
Wait, where can I set my backpack?
What is it?
Where can I set my
Huh?
backpack?
You want to put it in my room?
I'll just set it right here.
Alright. And this is my oogly boogly brother's. Oh, as you can see, it's locked. And this is my clean room. It is very well. It's very cool. There, man. As you can see. As you can see, Shweta is in the bathroom. As you can see, these are my dogs. This is Bailey and this is Buddy. They do that thing together. They do that thing. And this is my lady room. This is my lady room. This is my tablet. And this, oh, hi. This is my blanket. I love it. I sniffy. Okay. This is my sleep hat. Yeah, I sniff. I love it. Okay. This is Arizona picture. Okay. This is Arizona passport. Yeah, as you can see, this is my house. This upstairs is my mom and daddy moved. See, oh my god, as you can see, my dog is, oh my god, my dog is mating. Okay, and this is the last part, the garage where we use the gym. We work strongies. Yeah. As you can see, Chloe, is it a bathroom? Oh, nothing. As you can see, this is my house. This is my face. This is my room once again. This is my very famous cup. Beautiful. This is my setup. Yes, very clean, very cool. Okay, yeah. Bye, guys. Me and my bestie just got back home from walking all the way from Little Brick Schoolhouse. It's very interesting, I know. Yeah.